Kabeer Tanwar class 1D IT Public School. Today I will make dahi bhalla. We need bread and dahi and kishmish and salt and cumin powder and
Green.
green chutney and sweet chutney and dhania. So we will cut the bread with bowl. Now we'll put water in it. Now we will press the bit. Now we will put in kishmish. We will make a ball. Now our bhalla ball is ready. We will put in curd. Now little bit of salt. Now we will put cumin powder. Now we will put green chutney. Now we will put red sauce. Now we will top raisins. And garnish with coriander. And yummy bhalla is ready. My mom taught me this recipe.